Hello and welcome by Alessandro Zamboni. Today I want to talk about cryptocurrencies seriously. Thanks to Crypto Empire, you can discover 5 ways to make money with cryptocurrencies without having to invest thousands of dollars and hours of your time. Inside my step-by-step guide, you will find techniques to earn cryptocurrencies and be paid thanks to CryptoCoins. You will learn fundamental methods I used all over those last months to make a solid income from the crypto space. All the techniques are easy to follow and suitable for newbies as well as advanced users. If, like me, you sold your Bitcoin for $200 and your Dogecoin for less than 1 cent, this book will make you happy. Cryptocurrencies are here to stay. Many new ones will come, and those methods will be great for you right now and for the following years. Start as fast as you can to make money from this colossal niche.